So in this video, we are going to cover what are Node.js modules and how to use them, what is Node package manager, or you can say what is NPM, and how to create package.json file in your project. And also we will look into the dependencies and dev dependencies, and finally we will look into node monitor or nodemon. Let's get started. For that, first of all, we will need to create a folder. I am going to open folder, and here I will click on the select folder. So now this folder is ready, and here we need to create an app. So this was the basic stuff we have already covered in our last video. Now what is node module? So in Node.js, each file is treated as a separate module. In simple terms, a module is a piece of reusable JavaScript code. It could be a JS file or a directory containing the JS file. Actually, there are different types of the modules. Module can be a built-in module, or it can be a local module, or it can be a third-party module. In last video, we saw that how we can use the built-in module, which was the HTTP module. Actually, for looking into these things, we will need a node package manager. A node package manager actually is a command line tool. Suppose I go into the terminal and here I type npm -version. So here you can see that it is showing the npm is already installed and its version which is currently being used. Npm is a command line tool that installs, updates or uninstall Node.js packages in your application. And what I am talking about the packages, for the basic understanding, you can say that packages and modules are the same thing. The main function of the npm is that we can install and use third-party modules in our application. Let's move forward and see what is package.json file. Actually, it is a file with a JSON type extension which contains information about your current project. Normally, each project needs a package.json file. To create a package file, you simply need to type npm and init, and here I am going to use a switch with the yes. So here you can see a new file with the name package.json has been created. And if I go into this folder here, you can also see that the package.json file has just created. So let's see what is in this package.json file. There you can see it is mentioning what is the name of the application, what is version, description, and etc, etc. So these are different stuff which we will be using in future. And the next thing is that suppose I want a third-party package and want to install it. For that, I can use the npm command, which is npm install, and suppose I want to use express package express, and here I will type save. So actually now it is installing a package with the name express, and if I go into the folder, here you can see a new folder with the name node_modules has been created. There is a lot of stuff included in this folder. Here you can see the express package is also installed in it. So you can say that the package is a directory with one or more modules inside of it. So this was the express package we currently have installed on our computer. Suppose I want to uninstall this package, I will simply type npm uninstall express-save. Now it is actually going to uninstall the express module, and now we can see that it is empty folder and all the stuff has been removed. And if I close this file, open it, here you can see the entry also has been removed from here. But if I manually enter the entry with the name dependencies and I mention this version of express, and just now I am going to type npm install, it will look into the package.json file and it will actually install this package. So let's execute this npm install. So it will automatically install the dependencies which were mentioned. So again, if I go into the folder here, you can see it is installed now. So in this way, you can install any package and also you can uninstall any package from your project. Now we will move forward and we will look what are the dependencies and what are its type. Actually, you install modules and save them to your package.json file as we have looked. Dependencies basically are classified into two sections. One of them is the dependency for the production, which are required for your production of your application, and some packages basically are for your local development environment, or you can say for testing, and that dependencies is called dev dependencies. How we can include the dev dependencies, we will see here. For that, I will type the command npm install nodemon, and I will add the switch save dev. Now it will install a dev dependency actually, and for that you can see in the node package.json file a new entry has been introduced with the dev dependencies nodemon, and this package also has been installed. And if I go into the folder, and here I can see what is nodemon, or you can say node monitoring, and how to use it. It is a simple monitoring script which is only used during the development of the Node.js app. It will watch the files in the directory in which nodemon was started, and if any file change, nodemon will automatically restart your code and application. And for that I will only need to mention in the script, and here I will mention nodemon colon, and here I will write the command nodemon app.js. There is no need for this. When we are going to start our application, I will need to type here npm run nodemon. Now actually the server is running. If I go into the browser, and actually here I can see if I make some changes in this server, I just press the Control S. Here you can see it has automatically restarted the server, and I need to just refresh, and the changes has been reflected in the browser. And again, if I change this file, I press the Control S, and it will automatically start the server. And if I refresh it, here you can see there will be no need to start every time we made changes in the app.js file. We stop the server, save the file, then start the server, and then go into the browser and see the changes. But if we use the dev dependency, and actually here we are using a module with the name nodemon, it will actually monitor your application. So this was all about this tutorial. If this tutorial helps you, so I will request to subscribe my channel, and also like the video and share the video with friends. And thank you very much.